Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, there was a time when many were wondering if local footballers would be given a chance to ply their trades in the domestic league. That's long been a reality, with the league now in the business end. But can the league continue next season the way it did for this installment?
The completion of the Jamaica Premier League season is near, and already the organizers are putting plans in place for next season. But running a shortened season is totally different from one run over 9 months. The current season is being played at one venue, except for one weekend. But doing it again could be a logistical nightmare.
The behind-the-scenes discussions are beginning now. And of course, the Ministry of Sport will have to consult with the Ministry of Health to ensure that the necessary protocols are in place.
But there is no guarantee either that fans will be able to attend next season, which calls for improvement to television coverage which is currently accessible to a minority of viewers.
But these are challenging times. We're executing a league in the middle of a pandemic, so it's not going to be perfect. We are going to have some discomforts, and unfortunately, that was one of them.
While the PFJL gets a passing grade for gathering the finance, they get a failing grade for administration. Let's just say it's just above a corner league mentality.
Noted. And we're always open for improvement, and we thank you for your criticism.
While Chris Williams is a proven businessman, he has found out that running the nation's top football competition is not business as usual.
What I found out is that you guys are hounds, and that why, the coverage on football is 100 times more intense than the coverage on business. I thought the coverage on business was intense.
As for the verdict, TVJ football analyst O'Neil Meredith weighs in.
In the initial stage, we heard daily about the number of sponsors coming aboard and how well the product was being sold in the marketplace. But at the beginning of the competition, that same level of communication frenzy did not show itself. It dissipated quite quickly.
According to Meredith, the organizers missed a trick in free-to-air coverage.
In fact, it was almost like it was a league locked away on cable and not much in terms of free-to-air exposure to get the general fans enthused and excited. So I think that the new governing body has a lot to do in terms of marketing and getting the fans enthused and excited about watching this product.
The playoffs kick off on Saturday with Mount Pleasant Academy playing Harbour View and Tivoli Gardens taking on Vere United. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.